This is the Viltrox 90mm f2.2 EVO APS-C lens, and yes, I had the privilege to shoot for it for a complete commercial shoot, so I will be sharing my experience after using it for the last couple of weeks. Coming with the all respectable mounts, Fuji, Nikon and Sony E-mount. I'm your host Mauro, let's get straight into it. I was paid to shoot the commercial for it, but this is my personal overlook of the lens and how I felt using it the last couple of weeks. Okay, so let's understand what makes this lens so special. If we look at the full frame equivalent, we are exactly at 135mm long. So it will be a poor portrait mid to long telephoto lens. Perfect to get the shallow depth of field, yet crispy results in no time. This lens is also pretty compact and it's set up in the lineup of the EVO series, with the f2.2 aperture is also pretty bright. The lens features an automatic or clicked aperture, so you can manually select the aperture on your lens. The E-mount version has the AF switch with a dedicated customizable button under it. And depending on the mount, let's say Nikon or Fuji, on the Sony E-mount version you get these additional buttons ready to take on your next shot. Viltrox lately released a lot of variants of their lenses lineup. And this is the EVO lineup for the APS-C system. This lens is pretty much a near macro lens. At 135mm equivalent, we get a close-up distance focusing range of just 74 cm, so we can get pretty close to our actual subject of interest and get the hell crisp out of it. Shooting in fast-paced scenario like shooting a dog running wasn't easy, but this lens have done it flawlessly with the fast autofocus system incorporated in this lens, and also with the new fast autofocus cameras that we are using. It was a no match shooting that dog for a crisp result. Shooting video frames were easy and simple. After the shoot, we imported all on my computer and got into the post-processing time. Well, do you know what helped me a lot post-processing and editing that files to get crisp results? It was IRT, and yes, I use IRT image enhancer and IRT video enhancer to enhance all the footage. We shot some amazing dog scenes, but as you imagine, the dog was extremely fast, and when you put a slightly lower shutter speed in a lower light environment, you could probably get some slight miss of focus or a slight blur in the image. This is where IRT image enhancer improved a lot our sharpness in the images. As you can see in the photo, the dog was slightly out of focus. But now, with just one click, you can pop it out crisp as ever. And you get that crisp look in a couple of seconds. You can also upscale it almost 8 times, with a lot of other features. Let's say like face restoration, with a complete AI model selection and editing tool. All the pictures popped out instantaneously. Sometimes I miss focus or I get slightly out of focus some of the scenes because a lot of times I'm using my f1.2 lens at f1.2. Or you can get some noisy video because you didn't check your screen and settings right. IRT Video Enhancer, you can improve your footage easily and simple and get the desired results more sharp. You'll find also a complete editing tool, AI model selection, frame interpolation, HDR and audio denoise mode. So in just a couple of clicks, you can save up the footage that you otherwise would trash away. So with IRT Video and Photo Enhancer, you can save up the footage that you actually reshoot or actually don't use in your project. This will save up much more time, and in a couple of clicks you will have the footage crisp and ready to edit without any problems. You can check IRT Video and Photo Enhancer in the link in the description. Thanks IRT for sponsoring this video. This lens performs great also in bakery scenarios and fast-moving objects, and it pairs great with Sony, Nikon and Fujifilm systems. Testing it indoor and zooming in the photos, we can admire a good performance even in low-light model portraiture situations. In outdoor portrait shoots, we can admire the out-of-focus background and bokeh balls appearing around the subject. Overall, a great photography and videography experience with the 90mm f2.2. Who said the 135mm lens has to be bulky and big? This will change your mind. This was a preview of the shots that we made with the 90mm f2.2. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I will be happy to answer all of them. Till my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.